A ball is dropped from a height of 120 feet and it rebounds 2/3 of the height. If it continues to fall and rebound, what is the total distance the ball would travel before coming to rest? Okay, first it falls from 120 feet. So let's say it's falling from some height from here. Let's assume this is 120 feet. And this ball rebounds 2/3 of the height. So 2/3 of 120, which is 80 feet. So it's going to rebound 80 feet. So it will again fall down that 80 feet. And then it will rebound 2/3 of 80 feet. It will fall down. Now this process is going to continue for some time. And finally the ball will come to rest. Right? If it continues to fall and rebound, what is the total distance? So it is traveling some distance here in all these rebounds, right? We are supposed to add all of them. So what I'm going to do is, this is a singleton here. There is no upward movement for this. So I'm going to just take it as 120 plus 2 times of 80 plus 2 times of 2/3 of 80 plus 2 times of 2/3 of 2/3 of 80 and so on till infinite. So if I just look at this part, I can take the 2 outside. So I can write it as 120 plus 2 into. Now what I'll be left with inside is going to be a decreasing geometric progression, because we'll have 80 plus 2/3 of 80, 2/3 whole square of 80 and so on till infinite such movements. So this is a decreasing geometric progression, which is going till infinite terms. We know how to find the sum of this. So sum till infinity of a decreasing geometric progression is given by a by 1 minus r. Right. So in this case, what is a? A is our first term. So first term is 80. So this is going to be 80 by 1 minus r is our common ratio, which in this case is 2/3. So 1 minus 2/3. That is 80 by 1/3 or 240. So I could just replace all that is there inside this with 240. So what do we got here? We have got 120 plus 2 into 240, that is 480. So we've got 120 plus 480. Our answer should be 600 feet for this question. Okay, let me say why this is 2. Someone wants me to explain why this is 2 into 80. Okay, let's see here. See, the ball is coming down, that is 120. Then it is going up 80 and coming down 80, which means 2 movements of 80 feet, right? Going up by 80, and then from there it is coming down by 80. So I have 2 movements of 80 feet, and then I will have 2 movements of 2/3 of 80, and then I'll have 2 movements of the next height. So after the first movement, for all the different heights, there are going to be 2 movements, one upwards, one downwards, one upwards, one downwards, right? So that is why I'm taking 2 times of 80 here. Similarly, 2 times of this height, 2 times of next height, and so on. That's why I'm taking 2 for all of this. I'm not taking 2 for this because they just said it dropped from a height. They did not say someone threw it from down, it went there or something, right? So for the first case, I have to just take 1 time of 120. For every other height, I'll have to take 2 because there is an upward movement and a downward movement.